How to enable Stripe on Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can simply enable Stripe on Shopify. So for that, what you guys need to do is that firstly log in to your Shopify store, and now from over here simply click on home, and then once you guys are in the home, now from over here click on settings, and then from over here simply click on payments. Now from over here you guys can simply add all your payment providers, and you guys can also add in various different payment methods as well. So click on choose a provider, and now from over here you guys are going to see all the different options come up. Now from over here simply type in Stripe over here, and then as soon as you guys type in Stripe you guys can simply click on Stripe, and then that's going to take you guys over to another page. So Stripe is not available in my country, so I cannot connect it right now in real time. But of course you guys can simply put in your login email over here, and you guys will be able to simply connect Stripe to your Shopify store. You guys also have many different other options as well to connect as well, such as to checkout, AirPay, authorize.net, Ignite payments, and so many more options. So guys, this is how you guys can connect Stripe to your Shopify store. Very simple and very easy to do. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.